Hello students, how are you? Okay. Today on your requesting, I have solved the exponent. In exponent, there has given the law of exponent. First of all, the first law has given a to power b is equal to a into a into a into a, means that a has, that we say, base. A is base and b is exponent. Clear? So here exponent is power also, we say. Its other name is power also. इसका दूसरा नाम पावर भी है. क्लियर? यानी a टू पावर b. तो a इज बेस, a हमारा बेस है. क्लियर? और b क्या है? पावर या एक्सपोनेंट. यानी पावर जितना लिखा होगा उतने टाइम्स बेस को रिपीट करना होगा ड्यू टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. क्लियर? तो here if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4 given, so then 5 to power 4 means 5 is base and 4 is exponent power. तो अब पावर यहाँ पे 4 है, तो बेस को 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होना होगा. क्लियर? तो इन दिस वे 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 has given. Clear? That first rule. Second rule has given p upon q to power m given. P upon q to whole power m. Then next we can write p upon q. Okay? So that power will just when you distribute, so then it will, that comes here also and there also. In this way p to power m upon q to power m. But only in the case where p upon q is a rational number. Clear, students? Third, given the reciprocal of p upon q to whole power m. इसका रेसिप्रोकल p अपॉन q का जो होल पावर m है, इस रेसिप्रोकल विल बी q अपॉन p टू पावर m. क्लियर? इफ p इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, लेकिन p की वैल्यू 0 के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट गिवन a टू पावर m इंटू a टू पावर m. इफ द बेस आर सेम एंड देयर पावर आर डिफरेंट, जैसे यहाँ पे पावर m है, यहाँ पे पावर n है, both are different but base is same. In that case you will add the base one time and the power you will add due to multiply. होने के लिए हमें पावर को ऐड करना होगा. So I will write a to power m plus n. Clear? Now fifth rule has given division a to power m divided by a to power n. Okay? In such case also there has given the same base but different power. Okay? In that case you will add the base one time and the power will subtract. That power will be subtracted. That I am explaining here. A to power m divided by a to power n means a to power n upon a to power n. So base are same, so that power will, you can write m to power minus n. Clear? In such case it means that you will, from denominator it will go in numerator. ये डिनोमिनेटर से जैसे ही ये न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो इसका पावर यहाँ पे माइनस हो जाएगा. दैट अगर a upon m डिवाइडेड बाई a टू पावर m को लिख सकते हैं a टू पावर m अपॉन a टू पावर n। अब नाउ हेयर, अब यहाँ पे a टू पावर m अपॉन a टू पावर n गिवन। अगर हम इस न्यूमरेटर पोर्शन को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ लाना चाहें तो देन इट विल बी दैट टाइप्स a टू पावर n माइनस n। अब ऐसे से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, इनटू वी कैन राइट a टू पावर माइनस n, बिकॉज जैसे ही न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा तो इसके जो पावर्स हैं वो माइनस हो जाएंगे, निगेटिव हो जाएंगे। क्लियर? तो जब न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा तब ये निगेटिव हो जाएगा, और जब डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो ये निगेटिव हो जाएगा। क्लियर? सेम वे देयर हैज गिवन द रूल am divided by an, a to power n divided by a to power n is equal to a to power m minus n in that case. And now next given a to power m to whole power n, a to power m का whole power n, in such case you will do the multiply of the powers। यहाँ पे पावर्स की मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, यानी बेस हमारा a है, अब दो पावर हैं m इंटू n। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट रूल नंबर 7, इफ a टू पावर 0 गिवन, यानी a बेस 0 एक्सपोनेंट पावर, इन सच केस एनी नंबर दैट विल बी 1। क्लियर? नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर रूल नंबर 8, a टू पावर m इंटू b टू पावर m। In that case, are you seeing that a and b are the base and both base are different but their powers are same? In such case, a into b, ये base into base multiply कर देंगे and the powers will be common. Powers will be common. Clear? So on that base I will solve the exercise and then you can solve these all. Clear students? So first of all, these are all the competitive, understood? So you must need to learn these all law and rules because it is very helpful in competitions. Clear students? Now the first question is given according to the law. First saying that express in exponential form, in exponential form. Yes students? First given 32. Okay, so then first of all what you will do, you will do the prime factor of 32, prime factor of 32. So then it will be 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja and 2 1 ja. Clear? After doing the prime factorization you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 here. So then 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Clear, students? And then it will be the further base has given 2 2 2 and 1 power there, 1 power there, 1 power there, 1 power there, 1 power there. In this way 2 to power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times is equal to 2 to power 5. Okay, clear, students? Now next, evaluate. Next question, evaluate upon 3 to power 3 into 9 upon 8 into 27. Yes, students? So how you will evaluate this? So first of all, here given 3 power 2 upon 3 to whole power 2 upon 3 to whole power 3, so then 2 upon 3, so 2 and that 3, so that will 2 to power 3 and 3 to power 3 into 9 upon 8 into 27. So then it will be 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8, 3 into 3 into 3, that will be 27 into 9 upon 8 into 27 upon 1 you can write. Okay, now in this way you will do that 8 1 ja cancel, 27 1 ja cancel. Finally you will get 9 upon 1 is equal to 9, that will be the answer. Yes, students? Any doubt on that base? One more question, that question number 2 has given 2 to power 6 का whole power 4 into 1 upon 2 to power 8 का whole power 3 into minus 1 to power 24 given. Clear? So how will solve this? According to rule, I have told if the base exponent has given 2 exponent, then it will be multiplied. So base is 2 and power is given 6 into 4, 6 4 ja 24 into 1 upon 2 to power 8 to power 3, so 8 3 ja 24 into minus 1 to power 24 here given. Then I want to explain here. Minus 1 to power 24. So here minus 1 to power 24 given means that you will write minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into dash 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 dash. How many times? 24 times. So then minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, in this way, if the number has given even number, if the exponent has given even number का मतलब even means जो पावर 2 हो, 4 हो, 6 हो, 8 हो, 10 हो, ऐसे ऐसे जो भी नंबर रहेंगे तो ये निगेटिव पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ओके, बिकॉज माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस. So here the given even number 24, so finally its value will be plus 1. That will be plus 1. Clear students? And then you can reduce it. इसे reduce कर सकते हैं या फिर that way you can do. इसका इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 to power 24 upon 2 to power 24 into 1 into that one. Now I told you, if you want to send the denominator in numerator, then it will be 2 to power 24. So then it will be minus 24 into 1. Finally 2 to power 0 into 1. And 2 to power 0 is value of 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Clear? We got base to power 0. In such case that value will be 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Clear students? Okay. Now I will explain you tomorrow, so that you learn all the rules and law I have given you. Okay, that must be need to learn. Then further all exercise you can do. Okay, it is very important in the all basic competitions. Okay,